This is BEZGAR model TX124 brushless RC boat. The inside mechanicals are a little different than I expected. It is water cooled, of course. Inlet right here on the bottom goes up, and you can see where it goes down around through. I'm assuming it goes to the motor. The motor, from what I can see, it's fully caged, so you can't really see much, but it's a outrunner brushless. It includes a spare prop and prop nut. The prop shaft should be lubricated on a regular basis, and it has no adjustments on the rear as far as the plastic is concerned. These are not adjustable. Mini servo for steering. Dean's connector use. It does include a lithium ion 2-cell 7.4 volt. I'd like to see a LiPo, but the fact that a battery is included is nice. The seal on the top canopy piece is good, and it's got this interior, and then the exterior goes on top. The remote is definitely for smaller hands. Can't really fit your finger in here if you're an adult on your throttle. Reverse. It has just simple steering, trim controls, speed, trim, and also demo. So you hit button, it'll do a figure 8 demo, and you can also operate your lights. It has LED lights on the sides here, one over here and then one on the opposite side here. So yeah, it's different than I expected. I would have liked to have seen less plastic in here and better accessibility to the speed controller. I'm assuming the speed controller receiver, it's a it's a combo unit. I'm not sure the spec on the motor or the speed control in this case, since I can't see it. But having used it, it does not go 30, especially with just 2S. It'll do low 20s. I'm not sure how they actually find the actual top speed of this. I guess in perfect conditions you could get a higher top speed, but as far as, you know, fairly calm water, it does go fairly fast, for especially for its size. On another note, I guess, my one gripe is I'd like to see something I can put a different battery in. This is just to fit the lithium ion they supplied. You know, it'll fit in here perfectly, but hard pressed to find anything else that'll fit without having to modify the battery compartment a little bit, which is fine, but I'd rather stay away from modifying these. It's because it'll throw off the balance of the boat. It is self-righting. The hull this is definitely stronger than any large scale boat you'll get, because the hull on this is just heavy, solid plastic, and the larger, you know, if you get a 3-foot, it's much lighter plastic, because the weight becomes an issue when they get larger. This is so small that weight is still an issue, but less of an issue. So if you're looking for something that maybe a beginner or a retrieval boat, this is perfect for retrieving a larger boat. You could always mount something to the front here to push your larger RC boat back, or if you're a beginner, and you want something that is a step above brushed, this is that next step. Brushless will get you longer run time, faster top speeds, and this is definitely a good direction to go in. I just like to state again, this throttle control is tiny, so perfect for small hands, but adults not so much. So yeah, nice little boat overall.
I need to zoom in. It's super far that I need to zoom in. Okay. I can't turn. I can't even see it in the camera. I can only see the water.
Cool. This is remote and it's on red light. Currently is on a fast mode.
And it's doing 40 miles per hour.
It's going pretty quick.
It's going 40 miles per hour. It can go in any weather. And it can also...
And only one thing that's safe.
And you can go... You have to... turn
Battery length is about 15 to 20 minutes max.
And you have to...
But you get 2 batteries.
And you have
Overall, a great buy. My son loves it.
And also, are you still doing the video?
Oh, this one's way faster.
Oh.
Special.
Yeah.
Well, that's it.
It's just